it just me, or are we in a bad episode of The Twilight Zone? Yesterday, my wife was doing yoga in the bathroom. My kids are home all the time. And I swear, I'm allergic to everything. My wife's high-maintenance cats, dust, pollen. Point A. COVID's British variant is spreading like wildfire, now accounting for over half of Portugal's cases. One of the
This is a test message from the emergency alert system originating from the state of Wisconsin Emergency Operations Center. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have been given official information, news, or instructions. This test is now
fungi. Take that, Dirty Ducks. For more information, visit capitalhvac.com/capital-kids. That's capitalhvac.com/.
This is a test message from the Emergency Alert System originating from the state of Wisconsin Emergency Operations Center. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have been given official information, news, or instructions. This test is now concluded.
A little bit more than my desire to spread my wings or prove to people that I can be some dramatic actress.
If you like listening as much as I like talking with interesting